Hello everyone, welcome back to Kokati Beauty. So today we will be making this mouth-watering vegetable sauce. You can use any vegetable of your choice, but in this video I made use of ugu leaf. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to put my pan on fire and then come in with my groundnut oil. So put the groundnut oil, allow it to hot a bit, then pour in your chopped onions just like I'm doing in the video, and stir it a little bit to make the onions turn brown a little bit before you can now come in with your carrot is a little bit hard, so you have to put it and stir it for it to become soft a little. Okay, so after putting your carrots, allow it to cook for like 30 seconds. Then you come in with your fresh tomato. You can see how I chopped my fresh tomato. You should do same. And then the next ingredient is going to be fresh pepper. I don't like my fresh pepper to be completely blended, and also it adds more beauty to the sauce. So put in your fresh pepper like this, but if you want to use dry pepper, you can go ahead with it, and then stir it, allow it to cook for a minute before you come in with your sweet corn. Okay, this is me pouring sweet corn into the sauce. Then the next ingredient you're going to be adding is your thyme and curry. Put your curry and thyme. You can see me adding it in the sauce. Then the next ingredient is going to be your seasoning cubes, which is popularly known as Maggi here in Nigeria. So you're going to go in with your salt. So after putting your salt, you're going to stir the sauce to make sure that you taste it to confirm the taste. As you can see in this video, my salt was okay for the sauce, so I don't need to add more salt to the sauce. So now you're going to stir it and allow it to fry for like 1 minute, just 1 minute, okay, because you want everything to still look fresh and yummy like this. So after allowing it to fry for 1 minute, you can now come in with your vegetable. Here I have already washed and cut my vegetable, which is my ugu. So I'm just going to go ahead to pour it into the sauce just like I'm doing in the video, and then after pouring it, stir it and allow it to cook for like 20 seconds, just 20 seconds. Don't allow it to exceed, because if you allow it to stay too much on fire, it's going to turn like black or something, so you won't enjoy eating it like that. So to enjoy it while it's still fresh, just put the ugu, stir it, allow it to cook for 20 seconds, and then bring it down. You can see how beautiful my sauce is looking, right? So now the next thing I'm going to be doing is to fry my fresh fish. I use ice fish on this one. Okay, so put your pan on fire, pour in your groundnut oil, and then go in with your fresh fish. Okay, my ice fish, as you can see, allow it to fry. I don't really like my fish to be too fried, okay, but you can do it anyhow you like it. And after that, you can just bring it down once it's ready, and that is your lovely vegetable sauce. You can go in with anything, like maybe boiled yam, boiled plantain. Like you can see, I use boiled plantain, rice, anything. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.